about how much do you make each month, just so people could be inspired?
So it varies, depends on, the month, how it went. But $10,000, sometimes $8,000.
Thank you so much.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you some free websites and apps you can use to start making money online this 2023. I mean, it's 2023, so it's time to level up and set up money making sources so that we can all attain our financial freedom quickly. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some apps and websites, and not just that, I'm going to be showing you how to use these apps and websites to make money online for yourself. And again, all of these things that I'm going to be showing you, they're totally free. All the apps and the websites are all free online. I mean, you can get access to it using even your Android phone, so they are all free for everyone to use. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Research Campus. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some websites and apps that you can use to start making money online for free. Okay, but before we get right into this video, please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button down below, and also tap on the little bell icon that you see down below, because that is how YouTube will be able to notify you whenever I upload a video. Okay, so if you have already done that, let's go right into the video. The first website worth mentioning is good old YouTube. Yeah guys, I know you have heard this so many times, probably more than you can count, but guys, this 2023, if you have not created a YouTube channel, just take your phone right now, create a YouTube channel. I promise you it is worth it. On YouTube, you make money by uploading videos, and you get paid when you reach the monetization threshold, which is attaining 1,000 subscribers and a total of 4,000 watch hours. I know it might sound too much for so many people, but guys, YouTube is a popular platform and there are so many people who come there to watch videos. You never know, your videos might go viral and you quickly attain those monetization threshold and you start making money with YouTube ads. Now, to create a YouTube channel is very easy. I'm going to leave the link of a video tutorial where I show you how you can create a YouTube channel using your mobile phone. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so make sure you go check it out after this video. Okay guys, so once you have your YouTube channel up and ready, and the only requirements to be able to create a YouTube channel is just to have a Gmail account. Guys, that is the only requirement. If you don't have a Gmail account, you can simply go to the email app. I mean, most phones come with the email app. Open up the email app, and right there you'll be able to create a Gmail account for free. So it's totally free. Once you have your Gmail account, you can just open up YouTube, download the YouTube app on your phone, and voila, you can create a YouTube account. Now, once you have your YouTube channel ready, the next thing is to start recording videos and then learning how to edit videos with free apps. So there are so many free apps that you can use on your phone. You can use CapCut. Like that's a easy free app. That's the app that I use to record, use to edit my videos. So it's very, very easy to learn how to use this app. Now, once you learn how to use these editing apps to edit your videos, the next thing is to upload them onto your YouTube channel. Guys, that is all it takes. So record with your phone, and then you edit using these free apps on your mobile phone as well, and then you upload the video onto your YouTube channel. So that is all it takes. YouTube is a free platform, an open platform. You can create whatever type of videos you want. I mean, you can be combing your hair and you record yourself like combing your hair. You can be watching other people's video and reacting to other people's video, or you can be cooking and you record the procedure and you upload on YouTube. Those are lifestyle videos. You can also doing your normal duties, their daily routine, and you record and upload. There are people who will be interested. As you keep uploading more videos, people get interested to watch you. You start gaining followers, start gaining subscribers, viewers, and that is how you attain the monetization threshold. Okay, and once you attain it, that is all. You start making money daily. I mean daily in passive income with YouTube. Now means even if you are not uploading videos or you are doing something else, maybe you are at your job site, you know that YouTube is going to be paying you daily. So that is it. You are earning money daily on YouTube, and at the end of the month you are sure that you get money from YouTube. So that is a passive income stream you do not want to miss out this 2023. Okay, so the next website we're going to be using to make money online this 2023 is called blogger.com. Now blogger.com is a free website where you can create a blog. I mean, you can create a blog for free and you make money with the Google AdSense program. Yeah guys, so you have heard of people making money as bloggers, right? Yeah, so you too can create a blog using this free website, and you start writing and uploading posts on this website, and it's going to attain the monetization threshold with the Google AdSense. That's the Google AdSense monetization threshold, and you're going to start making passive income using this website. So this website is totally free. Now all you need to do to create an account, just go to blogger.com, click there, and you'll be able to create a blog for free. It takes you less than 5 minutes to create a free blog. Seriously, I'm going to leave a link of a video tutorial where I show you how to create a free blog with Blogger using just your Android phone. Guys, all of these things that I'm showing you, you don't need even a laptop. You just need your Android phone and you're good to go. You can use the Android phone and make money with this website. Now once you have your blog up and ready, the next thing is to start writing blog posts and posting. Now once you start writing blog posts and posting on this your blog, and once you have written up to like 25 to 30 blog posts, then it's time for you to apply for the Google AdSense. Now once you apply for Google AdSense and you get accepted, guys, that is when you start making real money. You start making money daily, just like YouTube. So you see, you don't need any money to start. Okay, now you might ask, what do I post about? What do I write about? Guys, when you hear of blogging is basically writing or giving answers to people's question. That's what blogging is all about. People go up to Google and then they type maybe any question that they have, and they're expecting to see results, answers to those questions. So you can be that person who is answering those questions. You can decide to answer question on a particular niche. So let's say, for example, you are into football, right? You can start answering questions relating to football. You can write on football topics. So that is a niche you are in. Or let's say you are you're into fashion, right? Maybe makeup, or maybe cooking, like anything that any topic that you're interested in. Into tech, for example, so you can look for questions that people are asking. So you can go to websites like Answer the Public, and it's called answerthepublic.com, and you click ask a question there. You're going to see there are so many questions that people are asking. It's going to spit out questions relating to what you have just searched. You're going to see so many different questions that you can use and start answering, right? You answer them in the form of a post, and then you upload onto your blog. Now once you have written like 25 to 30 blog posts, then you can apply for the Google AdSense program. Now once you apply for the Google AdSense program and you get approved, then that is where you start making money. You start making money daily once you start getting views to your blog, and as you start getting views, you start making money consistently and in passive income. Guys, when I say passive income, it means even if you're not there, you're not writing nothing, you are still making money. Even if you're sleeping, you're on vacation, you are still making money. So those are the type of websites you do not want to miss when it comes to making money online. So try utilizing those websites. Okay, now the next website is called Google Docs. Yeah, so Google Docs is also part of the Google apps, and of course it is totally free. The only way to get access to this Google Doc is when you have a Gmail account. That is all it takes. Once you have your Gmail account, you can do so much more online. So once you have a Gmail account, go up to Google app, to the Play Store, and then download Google Docs from Play Store. You're going to have it on your mobile phone, on your home screen. Now once you have this app on your home screen, click on that app, open it up, and write down an ebook. Just write down your knowledge, share your knowledge. Now it could be on any topic. So let's say, for example, you are into black hair, right? As a lady, maybe you know how to care for natural hair. Then you can write a guide on how to care for natural hair. For example, let's choose another niche. Let's say you are a foodie type of person. You know how to cook, or to cook these African dishes. Like, guys, just write an ebook on how to cook those dishes. Once you write this ebook using Google Docs, I'm going to leave a link of a video where I show you how to use Google Docs to write and edit ebooks. Okay, now once you have written down your ebook, of course, the next thing is to sell this ebook. Download this ebook from the Google Docs in the form of a PDF file, and then go now to our next website, which is called seller.com. Now seller.com is where you're going to sell this ebook. Seller.com is basically an online platform, an online marketplace where you can sell whatever digital products you have. Now go up to seller.com, upload your ebook on this platform, and then you can start advertising it. You're going to get a link of your store, and then the next thing is to just start advertising your ebook. Okay, one great thing about this marketplace seller.com is that it accepts different currencies. So if in case you are worried, maybe your customers are in Cameroon, Nigeria, and maybe they don't have this virtual maybe they don't have PayPal or this Payoneer, they have just MTN mobile money. Okay, that's the most popular online platform we have. Guys, this platform accepts online money payment. That's another bonus. So that is why you should take advantage of this website, of this app, to start selling making and selling digital products. Now this website, they're going to cut their charges, of course. That's how they make money. So once you get people and once you start getting customers and customers buy, they pay for this ebook. When you want to withdraw your money, they're going to cut a bit of that. They're going to cut their charges, but it's not that much as compared to the production cost, because you're not spending anything to make money. To make that money, you're just spending your time and your knowledge. Yeah, so it is worth it. Guys, check out this website that I'm talking about and try to utilize this website this 2023. Okay, now the last website on the list which I'm going to be talking about is called Upwork. Now Upwork is a freelance platform. Now if you don't know what freelance means, freelance is basically someone who sells his services, his professional services. Now let's say, for example, I'm good at writing, right? What I have to do is to just go up to upwork.com, apply as a freelancer, and then create a freelance profile on this platform. You're going to see different jobs. There are people who come on this platform, post different types of jobs. You're going to see jobs in the writing field, jobs in so many different categories. You're going to see for graphic design, for video editing, basically for any type of skill that you want to sell. Now the next thing you're going to do is to apply for this job. Once you apply for these jobs and you get clients, or you get picked to do these jobs, you start making money. Guys, I've done an interview with a close friend of mine who is making up to 400,000 francs monthly as a freelancer in Cameroon, right here in Cameroon, Douala. Guys, people are making money as freelancers online. That's one of the best platforms you can share. Exchange your services for money. Now you can start this as a side hustle where you can make let's say up to $100 monthly as a side hustle. And once you start getting more and more clients, customers, then you can turn this into a real business. Guys, people are making real money out of this Upwork. Like, freelancing is one of the ways that I also make money online. I go to this platform and I sell my services as a freelancer. Okay, Now, as a freelancer, the money you can earn is so unlimited. I just told you I did an interview with a friend of mine who is making up to 400,000 francs monthly as a freelancer, as a freelance transcriber. So what he does is simple, just transcribing people's videos and audios into text. It's as simple as that, and he's making up to 400,000 francs monthly right here in Cameroon. Now, to become a freelancer, there are strategies that you need to put in place to be able to find success, and that is why I have gone ahead to create a course which I'm going to be giving for very cheap. It's 1,000 francs. So that course is going to help you kickstart your freelance career. So that course takes you through the process on how to create a freelance, how to apply and create a freelance profile, how to create a portfolio, how to create a Pioneer account to withdraw your money, how to write a CV, how to write cover letters to apply, how to apply for jobs. Basically, it takes you through the entire process of becoming a freelancer as a beginner, so you do not want to miss it out. Now, if you're interested, I'm going to leave the link of the video course tutorial in the description box, so you can check it out and then you go and watch it and create your own Upwork profile. Okay, so guys, that is the end of the video for today, and I hope you're going to make use of this website. Try to use this website to make money online this 2023. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please, if this video was interesting or if you like this video in any way, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also tap on the little bell icon too, which is going to notify you whenever I upload a video. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I will do well to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching again, and see you in the next video.